and welcome everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So previous वीडियो में हमने क्लासिफिकेशंस ऑफ मोशन को जाना, तो आज हम जानेंगे मोशन होता क्या है और मोशन बेसिकली हम लोग पढ़ेंगे। सबसे पहले स्टार्टिंग करेंगे मोशन इन वन डायमेंशन यानी रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन से, यानी लीनियर मोशन से हम लोग स्टार्टिंग करेंगे। सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन। फर्स्टली वी टॉक अबाउट द मोशन. It is the changes the positions with respect to time elapsed. Motion is the changes the position with respect to time elapsed. Means an object changes its position with the elapsations of some time. So motion has some parameters, basically 5 parameters when we will study. First is distance, displacement, speed, velocity and acceleration. So firstly we talk about the distance and displacement. So many students have confusion about in case of the distance and displacement, because in rectilinear motion the displacement and distance are same, so many have confusions. So we go ahead into now differences between distance and displacement. Firstly we talk about the distance. We denote the distance by s and displacement by s vector, because displacement is a vector quantity. What is distance? The actual length of the path described by a particle. Any particle covers a path, changes its position, and that length of the path is the distance. The length of whole path is its distance of that particle. Now displacement, the shortest distance between the initial and final position. For example, when an object or particle moves in a straight line from here to there, there is a particular distance and its displacement is same. So distance is a scalar quantity, means it has only magnitude. What is magnitude now? For example, there is a block. We apply a force on block, and force is a vector quantity. Force is a vector quantity. It has both direction and magnitude. So the magnitude of force is variable, that is 10 Newton. That is the number that requires to force. Now the direction is important for force. In which direction you are applying the force to tends the objects to move. Now the SI unit of distance is meter and dimension is m0, l1 and t raised to the power 0. These are l1 into 1 gives the only length, that is meter. Okay. Now displacement. Displacement is a vector quantity, means it has magnitude and direction also. SI unit is meter. Dimensions are same as the distance. So for example, we start traveling from point A and travels a very curly and curved path, and we reach to point B. So our distance will be the sum of the whole distance covered by us, and displacement is the distance between point A to B, shortest distance between. Now another example, displacement is this, distance is this, distance is this. Now distance can be greater or equal to displacement, but displacement is always smaller or equal to the distance. And in rectilinear motion we travel in a straight path. Our distance and displacement also same, because displacement changes when direction our changes, because it's a vector quantity, it depends upon the direction. So displacement change when direction changes also. So in rectilinear motion we travels in a straight line and our direction do not changes. So डिस्प्लेसमेंट एंड डिफरेंस डिस्टेंस का डिफरेंस था. सो आज के हमारे वीडियो में बस इतना ही. सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे यूनिफॉर्म ऑन एंड नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन में. उसमें हम जानेंगे कि वेक्टर्स लॉज ऑफ मोशन, वेक्टर्स एडिशन ऑफ मोशन, वेक्टर्स लॉज ऑफ एडिशन ऑफ वेक्टर्स, लॉज ऑफ एडिशन, वेक्टर्स एडिशन. सो आज के हमारे वीडियो में बस इतना ही. अगर वीडियो पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिए.